Hi guys, hope you're well. I wanted to do a really quick video. This one is just some advice that will help you if you're trying to use the law of attraction, if you're trying to manifest stuff that you want. Here's something I recommend that you do before trying to manifest, okay, or trying to use the law of attraction or the law of vibration. Now, what I'm going to talk about in this video is not so much how to use it, like the law of attraction, or how to evoke the law of attraction through the law of vibration. If you're interested in a step-by-step guide on how I've used it, and I actually show in this guide something that I was able to manifest that is quite extraordinary, at least it was for me, check it out. You'll find it, the link below, and you can find it at attractyourdreamstoyou.com, attractyourdreamstoyou.com. And what I've done is put together a step-by-step guide that shows you how to use the law of attraction. So if you are interested in that, you probably already know, you've probably read The Secret, and you've probably been involved in the law of attraction if you're watching this, but do check it out. I'd like to know your thoughts anyway. And I think you'll find something new in there as well that you can use, and just try it with an open mind and let me know how you get on. So that's how to use it, attractyourdreamstoyou.com. What I want to speak about in this video is something that you want to do before you try to manifest. And it's really easy, but it's also something that I don't see a lot of people doing, and it can cause your desires not to manifest, okay? And what you want to do for a few days is just practice gratitude and relax. And it sounds almost like an anticlimax, okay? But the reason I'm telling you to do that is that when you are looking to manifest something, let's say money, okay? And I always use the example of money because it's very easy to measure, and it's something that a lot of us would like more of, okay? So if, let's say, for instance, you want to manifest money, if you go through the steps and you try your best to manifest money, but the more you try, the more you're also saying that you lack money, okay? So let's say you want to make $5,000, okay? The more you visualize that, and the more you want that, and the more you send that out into the universe, there's an equal and opposite signal being sent out, or message, that says, I don't have the $5,000. So what I want you to do before, try this, it works really, really well, is I want you to try your best, and I want you to spend a few days, 1 to 3 days is good, not trying, not doing anything, not visualizing, just living as if it were true that you didn't need the $5,000 and you had $50,000 in your bank. How would you feel? You know, fair enough, you can't immediately go out and do all of the stuff that you would do in a money sense, but you can feel the feelings that you would feel right now, okay? And that's what you want to cultivate. And then if you do that in a relaxed manner and give yourself some time off mentally, you know, as you do it, you'll find that it works a lot better. So I hope that's explained well. Just spend a few days, give yourself some time off, give yourself some time to relax and live as though it were true that you didn't need anything. And then when you go back to manifest, you'll be in a really grounded state, I call it, a state ready to manifest, because you'll be open to receive. If you just rush straight into it, normally what you're doing is pushing it away. It's almost a stalemate. You're attracting it, but your need for it is also pushing it away. So try that. I hope it was explained well. Download your guide. The link's below. It's free. attractyourdreamstoyou.com. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers for watching, guys.